This is my first impressions and unboxing of the Canon RF 50 f1.4L VCM lens. I've been wanting to get the 50 for some time now, and when I got the opportunity, I wanted to get it, and I have it in hand. It's a beautiful lens, and this is just the first impression. So I'm going to make an actual full video and let you know my actual thoughts, whether you should get it, who is it for, and all of that. I primarily shoot 50 for most of the wedding. 80 to 90% of the time I'm shooting with a 50. So I wanted to get a faster native RF 50, and so I put a plug on this one. It's not cheap, but so worth it. I've been getting a lot of comments about it, and then what I usually say is it shoots like an 85. It's that sweet. I'm going to share with you. So I've managed to test it out, but not intensively, but a few times, and the results are amazing for photo and for video. Canon's new lenses are just badass. It's sweet. One thing I noticed about the lens when I took it out of the box is when it has this, when you shake it, that's a sound. I don't know. I'm still testing it out. It has some buttons here, and these rings here. I noticed that it's also for video, but when it's on the camera, you push the iris button here before. I don't know who it is for exactly, but this basically is for the f-stops from f16 all the way to f1.4, for instance, for video. Yeah, but it's all in all, enjoy shooting with this lens, and I mostly shoot 1.4, because this video I watched way back in the day where I was talking about if you purchase an expensive lens at 1.2 or 1.4, why should I shoot at 2.8? And I was like, yeah, made a little sense to me, because these glasses are expensive. They are good quality glass. So if it's 1.4, why shoot at f5.6? Unless you're shooting in the studio, obviously. Yes, the wedding that we did, traditional wedding that we did of Percy and Falco, you guys will see the pictures. Most of the pictures I shot were at 1.4, and it was crisp, it was sharp, and it works so well with the autofocus. It's just mastery in a lens. Yeah, so these are my first impressions of it. It's not heavy, it's lightweight as well. It feels robust, it feels durable. Yeah, I think this will be my first red ring. Yes, so this is my first impression of this lens. Beautiful lens. I'm going to let you know my thoughts later in a full review, which I'm going to do. So I'm planning on, let me know in the comments if you want to see a video of the Canon 50 RF 1.8, the Canon 50 1.2, and the Canon 50 1.4, this one. And also I want to make a video about my old Sigma 51.4. You guys know, I've used that lens for years. So I'm replacing that one with this. So I'm going to make a comparison video of the two of them and see the differences. And let me know in the comments if you like to see any of those videos, anything at all you want to know. Let me know in the comments. Any questions at all you have about this lens also, let me know. Until I come over again next time. And I'll see you out.